Hi guys, I'm Kai. I'm going to talk about some of the basic commands that Kali Linux will be using in this beginner command tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn essential Linux commands to navigate and manage your systems. First command, we'll be using the pwd command to know your current location in the directory structure. Next, the ls command lists files in the current directory using options like -a to see hidden files or -l to view the detailed information. In order to navigate between directories, the cd command with the file path, for example, cd/etc, which is storing all the critical systems configuration file, and using cd- to return to the previous directory. To create a new folder, use the mkdir command followed by the folder name. Use the touch command to create files and use nano text editor to edit them with nano command. The cat command outputs the content of a file directly to the terminal. Use rm command to delete files and rm-r for deleting directories and all its content. Retrieve system and OS details with uname-a for kernel information and lsp_release-a for OS details. Other than that, monitor your disk usage with df-h command. Last but not least, the sudo command allows administrative tasks like updating the system and changing root file. This concludes the tutorial. Keep practicing to enhance your skills. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to stay tuned for more tutorials about Kali Linux in Zero to Radiant channel.